What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Lior Vaknin show, where we answer your most common questions about marketing, lead generation, and so on. Today, what we're going to touch on is a question that I got from you on how do I do SEO for my chiropractor's office, and what's your best advice? So we're going to do a full review of one of you guys. So let me quickly share my screen. Share screen. And all right. So I just looked up chiropractor in LA, and we can look up on any other major city, Chicago, whatever it is, it's all the same, right? Now, when we're talking about organic, obviously that splits into two. We have the Google Business Profile side of things, and we have the SEO world. Now, in our day and age, this is where your money's at. It's not with the website, where we will go over that, but it's most likely here. Now, a good Google Business Profile would rank in a 5 to 7 mile radius, okay, for some of the main keywords. If you're in a hyper dense city, or like in places like Chicago, LA, New York, this radius might shrink down into 2 or 3 miles radius, and sometimes even less than that. But let's see what comes up here first. So as you see here, the first result is a sponsored one. This is done by Google Ads. That's not an organic result, but you can basically create those ads on your Google Ads. On the first result, when we're looking for a chiropractor in Chicago, let's see what comes up. So the first thing that he did correctly is he has his company name as Chiropractic in Chicago Loop, which basically tells Google that it's almost an exact match. Back in the day, there was like exact match domains. So it would be like chiropractic in Chicago or chiropractor in Chicago.com, and that would help you boost your ranking. Now the hack, so to speak, is having this in your title. So this is what helps. Then we have here, we see that we have our category, which is a chiropractor, right? Now let's scroll down. First of all, we see that he has like his pictures all set up correctly. Let's go and check his reviews. All right, he has some reviews going on, 5-star reviews. He has 54 reviews. He responds to a lot of these reviews. Okay. All right. Let's see what else we got here. All right, we have a physical address, which is very important nowadays. It used to be, Google used to treat equally to mobile service and physical address. Google Business Profiles the same way. In our day and age, definitely physical addresses take more, get more ranking basically with Google search results. All right, they don't have questions and answers. I would highly recommend you do this as well. And here we can see that he has some blog posts, but still not a lot. I want to see what's happening in Los Angeles, because to be honest, it seems like there's not much competition going on here. All right. West Los Angeles Chiropractic. Again, like you can see that the name has the chiropractic in it. All right, so this is a very important part for you to be able to rank. This and your categories are maybe two of the most important parts. So they have a product and services page, which here it's their about page, and they have their appointments page, which is their contact page. So they have their website, okay, which leads to the home page. And then let me make sure that we can share all of this. Share our window. All right, so now you can see it all. All right, in the products, you can see that they put in products, right? And each product has a description. It gives a detailed explanation of what it does. And Google, as you know, loves data. All right, so you see the different type of products that they have. They have different categories. Like this, you can see that they're putting a lot of effort into their local SEO. All right, they could do much better because they don't respond to a lot of these, and this is where you're basically losing out on a lot of potential gains with not just the main keyword that you're focusing on, but also other related terms that you can basically get way more results if you're entering those keywords in your review response. Okay, so we have this. All right, now let's go check their website. Okay, first of all, if you ask me, they're losing a lot of potential clients just with the layout of their website. This is not what I recommend to my students in local service mastery. There's no call to action right here in the middle of it. Also, these slides, like, they look horrible. They look like, you know, they're back from the, I don't know, 1990s or something. So let's check this one. This is actually an H3. Yeah, these guys, like, I don't know, like, chiropractors not doing that good of a job. Like, maybe they don't need to. But they're definitely a brand, and this is something that gives you a lot of, you know, error margins and a lot of room for, like, you could get a slack from Google for not putting everything correctly because you're a brand. And so when people look for West Los Angeles Chiropractic or West Los Angeles Chiropractor, then it, you know, like, they're looking for this brand. And you can see that they have their channel. They see that they have a YouTube channel, which helps. Let's see some of the all right, now here, yeah, this is an H1. This is good. Okay, they have like a good number of followers on social media, which is great. How can chiropractic? Yeah, so these are good. Like he has, they have a lot of content. They have this breadcrumbs, like that you can see where are you on the um, on the basically on the structure, and it's funny. These aren't hyperlinked. They just make them bold. I don't know, man. To be honest, like maybe they don't need to because they're ranking for some of their keywords at the top results, but I'm not seeing a really impressive job it's being done here. Let's go back to Google, see if we can find a better example of a website. Unbelievable. To be honest, if I was a chiropractor in LA, I would, like, in 2 months, I would probably rank number 1. It's crazy. And by the way, just so you see that I'm not just talking out of my ass, let me just show you the results some of our clients are getting. So we have Kirill in 2 weeks. So local SEO plus Google My Business Optimization. Got to say those things do work. Started working on the website less than 2 weeks and can see the search results improving for many keywords. Got a lot more to do. I'm still on the first of Lior's SEO lessons. Okay, if you don't know, I have a coaching program that teaches chiropractors and other home service business owners how to generate their leads themselves without needing to depend on marketing agencies ever again. And he's a locksmith. And in 2 weeks, he was able to rank number 2 in the organic with his website for one of his main keywords. And here with a 5-mile radius is ranking with his Google business profile. So I'm not just talking out of my ass, okay? But this is really sad, to be honest. I don't know, it's sad or good for you if you're a chiropractor in Los Angeles. It's really easy for you to outrank those competitors. Let's see this guy. Okay, this looks a little bit more structured. I like the layout that, you know, as soon as you land on the page, you have a call button here. You have a contact form here. You have their Google business profile here. So like you don't need to scroll. Much better job than all the other ones. So you see like these headlines, right? So let's check this one. So this is an H2. Let's check this one. This is an H1. Yeah, it's like these guys work with an SEO company that knows what they're doing, right? What I'm missing here is where are the internal links throughout the homepage. So you have here on the right, and this is also like a very simple layout because this is just a blog layout. And you can see that their blog posts, like they're putting a lot of effort. So now if I'm looking for instance, stadium seating solutions in Los Angeles, let's see if they come up. What's their name? The Joint. Let's see, thejoint.com. Oh, sorry. So stadium seating solution is too broad and talks about just regular stadium seating. So I thought it was like a term for chiropractors. No. Okay, so let's search for something. So you see here they have internal linking, which is great. But symptoms. Okay, there it is. So let's do, okay, chiropractor for sciatica. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Pain in Los Angeles. And these guys are the joint, right? So let's see here. So it's weird, but it's not that weird because they're not using the name of the city in their solutions. So the joint, are they? Okay, so they're like, yeah. So they're like more of like a franchise, I believe. And this is why it's like, I would put chiropractic for sciatica, or however you pronounce it, pain in Los Angeles, and that would make much more sense for it to rank. So I didn't even understand that this was, to be honest, guys, it's a franchise. Yeah. Let me quit sharing the screen. It's so freaking easy for you to outrank all these guys because the top results are not doing almost any SEO, and the ones who do are franchise. So they're not like a local business that is trying to promote their brand. It's so easy. I gave you some tips here. If you want to learn more, there's going to be a link down to my program, Local Service Mastery, where you, as a chiropractor, can learn how to do things yourself, how to generate leads from Google ads, from Facebook ads, how to grow your business into 7 and 8 figure by mastering lead generation. Also, there's going to be a link for our show, the Lior Vaknin Show, where I bring you with your questions and we can actually answer your specific questions on the show completely free, 100% free. There's going to be a link to that as well in the description below. And that's it, guys. It's like, the game is easy. All you need to know is how to play it. Till next time, see you guys soon. My name is Lior Vaknin. Peace.